Welcome to Module 1, Part 1.
Fundamentals of Cybersecurity. This is Ashokan. Information security, the objective is to protect our information assets and our supporting infrastructure. We need to understand what is information assets and supporting infrastructure. The information security programs were developed to safeguard the internal assets and the processes. A company has a lot of internal assets, the systems, the softwares, the process, the people, and everything which is used for the business are internal assets. When we establish the connectivity with our business partners and other organizations, the security becomes a major concern. So when you have a single organization, the concern was to protect the information of that particular company. The information, the assets, the systems and the network and the applications which is inside the organization was our concern. So that is focusing on a single organization to provide the strongest security measures. Cyber means all inclusive, that particular digital space. So let's understand the cyber security. If you have one system, this is what your entire LAN, this is your local area network, which is connected to your perimeter device and which is connected to the internet. When it is connected to the internet, there can be another company which is connected to the internet. There can be another company which is connected to the internet. So the information pertaining to this particular company, this is the local area network, the computer, the systems, the softwares, the processor, the people, everything pertaining to a single company, this is LAN, was your concern. That is what the information security. When you connect with your company with the internet, this is the cloud, okay, this is the internet. What happens? Every company will have a perimeter security position here, and in the perimeter at the border, you have IDS, IPS, firewall, all the equipments, and something you do or something you do not do, whatever you do to provide the security or you fail to provide the security, affect the other organizations as well. That is what the cyber security is. Information security is pertaining to the information on this entire organization, but when it is connected with the internet, the entire globe has become a single organization. So that is where we refer to the cyber security. Information security basically is for one company's information. Cyber security is a larger concept. Every business organization is now connected to the world through the internet. The expansion refers to cyber security. The transition can endanger the security of the organization, both information security and cyber security, that are based on same principle, the CIA triad. We're going to understand what is the CIA triad. Though there are very thin difference between the information security and cyber security, we need to understand the terms clearly in order to understand information security or cyber security concepts well. The cybersecurity threats are not only to your organization but has a global repercussion. We need to understand what are the threats and vulnerabilities. In the subsequent video, we'll be able to do that. Fundamental security principles: confidentiality, integrity, availability. These are the three principles of information security or cybersecurity, which is referred to as CIA triad. CIA triad is what we need to understand as the principles of information security. CIA triad has the confidentiality, availability and integrity. It depends on what is that you protect. Confidentiality keeps the data secret. What do you mean by secret? Secret means the information should not go to a third party. It must be between two different systems or two different people or two different groups of people or within a group, but it should not leak outside. Such data we call it secret. Only authorized people and processes have access to the information. Such information must be protected from unauthorized disclosure, authorization, and authentication, all that we are going to discuss in the subsequent lessons. Integrity seeks to prevent unauthorized write access. If you can modify this, that is what is write access, or any type of modification of information. Data integrity ensures unauthorized or accidental changes to the data which is being sent from one place. If it reaches the same data reaches the destination, that means the integrity is achieved. Hashing the information is the mechanism to check the integrity of information by the same. We'll be discussing what is hashing in the module 10, cryptography. We'll see what and how to hash and what are the various algorithms to that. The integrity can be divided into two different things. One is the system integrity and another one is the data integrity. The data integrity protects the data from unauthorized modification, whereas the system integrity protects the data from unauthorized modification of the systems. So here it is data and here it is systems. Availability ensures that the information system and other facilities, suppose if it can be an application, web application, whatever it is, such business processes are available for use when it is required. So when we required, we must have the information. If that is ensured, that means availability is ensured. A denial of service or distributed denial of service attack on systems, DOS and DDoS, again we will discuss in the offensive security part, that makes the service unavailable to the users. How to ensure the availability? There are various methods. Regular backup is one. You have to regularly back up your data. And secondly, redundancy. Redundancy means if one fails, you have a backup, the other will take up. So that is what is redundancy. Disaster recovery planning or DRP is a different topic we need to discuss at length. But disaster recovery primarily refers to, suppose if you have a 7-story building, if all the 7-story building is destroyed where you keep your backup also, then it's a disaster. In that case, how fast you recover your business, that concept is disaster recovery planning. We have to plan for the disaster recovery. It's a DR. Please follow the continuation part. Thank you.